In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import photos in Darktable. When you launch Darktable, you'll land in the Lighttable view. Think of Lighttable as your home base for bringing images into the app and keeping them organized. This is where you'll decide how your photos enter the library and how they're referenced on your computer. You have two ways to bring images in. The first is Add to Library. This option tells Darktable to reference the photos exactly where they currently live on your drive. It does not move or copy anything. It simply adds those files to Darktable's library so you can manage and edit them. This is great if you already maintain a tidy folder structure and you don't want duplicates. The second option is Copy and Import. This one makes a copy of your chosen photos, places that copy into a destination folder you choose, organizes them by date or name, and then adds them to the library. Use Copy and Import if you want Darktable to consolidate your images in a single location, or if you're bringing files in from a memory card. As a quick tip, avoid Add to Library if your source is a removable card or a temporary location, because those files might not be accessible later. Next, choose what you want to bring in. If you only need a few specific shots, click Image to select individual photos. If you want everything from a particular location, click Folder to import all the pictures inside that folder. Folder is a fast way to grab an entire shoot without picking files one by one. A file browser will appear. Navigate to the folder or the specific files you want to import. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right location and that the previews match what you expect, especially if you work with multiple external drives or have similarly named folders. If you're browsing to a camera card or network location, let the thumbnails load fully so you don't miss any images. When you're ready, start the import by choosing either Add to Library or Copy and Import. Copy and Import will place the files into your chosen destination, organized by date or name, and then add them to your library. Add to Library will simply register the files where they are. After the process completes, you'll see your images appear as thumbnails in Lighttable. Nothing has been altered in your originals. Darktable is non-destructive, so you can safely proceed to manage and edit from here. That's it. You've imported your photos into Darktable and set yourself up with a clean, dependable workflow right from Lighttable.